steering box cleaned up a lot more now. Still a way to go, but it's getting there with that. And I'm just going to move on to the old front splash pan now. Got a few holes to weld up on that front lip. So apart from clearing the box down, I've been checking it for leaks and the seals look okay. I think I'm going to have to get some more oil, fill it up and then test it for leaks again though, just to make sure. So that's another job completed, got the steering box painted, along with the front backing plates for the drums, heater tube tins and a few bits of steering linkage and pedal assembly over there in the corner. So I think I've pretty much completed everything under here now. Just put these riv nuts in on that front lip just to hold the splash pan up underneath there. And I think I'm now ready to start laying that bed liner paint down. So this is the stuff that I'm using. It's the Pour 15 bed liner paint. I'm not going to tell anyone how to apply paint, but I've just had to score the surfaces up where it's got a gloss finish, just roughen that up with the old emery cloth. And I'm finding I'm having to give this paint a real good stir. There's so much settled at the bottom of the tin. This one's actually a plastic tin with a metal top, so. But yeah, it's getting thicker. Just made a start on cleaning down these front brake shoes now. Got a lot of crust on them, but it does look like they've got some shoe life left in them still. I've actually cleaned down one with a wire brush, got it to that standard, and then I'm going to give them a good soaking of brake cleaner. So I'm going to move on to something else and just start cleaning up this master cylinder now. Get all that grease and dirt off of it. And just to finish off with, I've got a bit of a long overdue mail call to make for the lads over at VW Life in Texas. They like to collect and resurrect the old Volkswagen, so go give the channel a look, give it a like.